All right, special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send us their 65-watt fast charger. Now this is something great for an iPhone user who also has the MacBook and maybe an Apple Watch, because you could charge everything off of one charger. Let me show you. So nothing around the box, just the sticker there, USB wall charger, etc. And the back just shows 65 watts, so the total output is 65 watts. Of course, that changes based on what you exactly have plugged in. Let's open it up. All right. Ooh, it feels nice. It's like a foamy box. That's it for in there. And oh, nice. So right on top, we have a little user's guide, and then encased in this nice foam is the charger. That's pretty darn nice. So you can see ports just fold right out and take this plastic off. The white even matches, you know, it's that Apple-ish white. Very nice. So here's how it works. If you have in one USB device in the top port, you're going to get the full 65 watts. That's where you'd want to plug in your MacBook. It would charge it the fastest. Then you can plug in another device here and another device here. Now it's going to split this power because the whole thing is only 65 watts. So it'll probably do something like maybe 20, and 15, somewhere along in those lines. The manual may actually say, let's see. Yeah, so like for example, if you have something in USB-C type 1 and you also have something down here in the USB-A port, it would give 45 watts up here and 18 watts down here. If you have something in USB-C port 2 and A, it's going to be 20 watts on each one. And if you have something in each USB port only, it'll be 45 watts and 18 watts. It does kind of describe that to you. Let's plug it in real quick. And you got a nice little green light there. And I got an item here I can plug in. Just plug it in. There we go. Got my green light flashing on my earbuds. Got a little green light here beside the active port, and this light's green as well. This is not a button, by the way. It's just a light. So there we go. Very nice charger. So that'll do it for this 65-watt fast charger. Again, thanks to this company for sending it to me, and hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and demonstration. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.